Hey guys, JD here, and today we're headed up north for a ride on the Kissimmee River. We're meeting up with the guys from Waves RX, Chris from PWC Doctor, and Blaster Joe. And I've got Tommy T from Tommy T's Adventures, and Aaron from Loxahatchee Living following me in their trucks. Alright, see you guys at the boat ramp. So here we are at the boat ramp. It is completely unpaved, so going down this path here real slowly, and I will see you guys at the water.
If you need one, I have a weight gun razor. That's what I just got.
So it turns out I was the only one with a Kawasaki. It's all Yamahas today. Also the only supercharged ski, so I had to be super careful to conserve fuel and not burn through all of it with these guys. I see that, yeah.
Pull up here, I'll sit out here idle.
No, you're good. Sorry, man. I figured it was better to stand on your ski than to.
We'll see the hat. We'll see the hat.
You're allowed. You're allowed, man. You're allowed. It's all good.
Thanks, man. I see. Oh, look at that. That would be nice in someone's. All right. There's Tommy. Tommy, you've been ahead of me filming everything. How does he like that? Oh, hey pup, you're a good boy. That's cool with the. That's awesome with the traction mat there.
I don't know if he's right. He's not looking forward. He's looking back. I look where he stood.
We stopped to regroup for a minute, and Joe told us about some upcoming obstacles in the river. He knows this river well, so it was good to have him along to show us where to go. look at that drop there. Well, we made it back. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.